What are you doing? What the hell was that? Okay. You wear your shoes? Really? Okay. Vaughn had it like all the way up there at one time. Oh, there it goes again. Yep, just needed some wind. Oh, he's gonna get it. Vaughn! It's come here, it's underneath the pole. Vaughn, it's under the pole. Oh, good. There you go. That's awesome. He said that was all the string. We're gonna have to get like a new spindle or something. More string. Cool. And oh wow, we did it. We kept it up. Marshall playing tic-tac-toe with himself. Nice. He's the one we're proud of.